Hello everyone, this is me Sadia here and I'm back with another Pick a Deck reading in which we are going to question, do they miss you? Whoever it is that you want to know if they miss you, yes or no, then this reading is definitely for you. I have two decks here, deck orange, deck strawberry. Pick whichever deck you want to choose to see the answer to your question about a specific someone. Do they miss you? We are also going to take some oracle cards as well in this reading, and we might take the message card from them as well. But yeah, before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. Let's start with orange deck. Let's find out whoever it is that you are asking about. Do they miss you? Let's find out. While I shuffle the cards, I would suggest you to think of the person so we could tap into their, specific energies as well. So yeah, let's see. Do they miss you? Three of Swords, the Devil, Strength. The connection that you had with this person or you have with this person is so strong, but I feel like something basically came between the two of you. It can be different for different people. For some of you it could be a third party situation where where came another person in your life between the two of you. For others of you, it could be a third party situation, as in maybe their work, maybe their family as well. Maybe they stopped them from talking to you or, pursuing this connection with you as well, whatever it is. But the connection that you have, the both of you, the connection that you both of, the connection that you both have for each other is too strong to be shaken or broken, basically. Whether they are with you, whether they are not, they definitely think of you. They definitely miss you because it's not something that they like. Being apart from you, being away from you is not their thing. They do find it very hard to control themselves from reaching out to you. It's more like, they try not to talk to you. It's not that they don't miss you, they don't think of you. It's just that they try, they hold themselves back, they just suppress them, their feelings for you as well. So I do see that this person really does miss you a lot. They do have a very strong connection with you. And I feel like, there has been a lot of passion, sexual energy exchange in this connection as well, and which is one of the very strongest thing in this connection. Every time you had the sexual energy exchange, it was more of a divine thing. It was never just the sex thing. But yes, I feel like, this person really does miss you a lot. But there is something right now which is holding them back right now still. And underneath the deck we do have the Ace of Cups. Yes, they do have strong emotional connection with you as well. But let's see underneath that, Five of Swords. Underneath that, the Fool card. For some of you, maybe the person that you are asking about, maybe they do have some personal demons to fight, like, inner demons to fight as well. Maybe they have some mental blocks around this connection. Maybe they have other people influence that they have to deal with before they could come to express their love, to give into the connection, to come forward. Or maybe they chose another person over you and now they are hurt in that connection too, and they really miss you that way because they miss that love, passion that they shared with you. It is something that they never shared with the new person that they chose over you. If that's the case, they are again coming back towards you. They are still trying to reach out to you. Their heart really aches for you, but at the same time, they hold themselves back. So I feel like, there is strong love and emotional, attachment in this connection between the two of you. But yes, there is like, there was a third party situation in this connection because the connection that you have is like, whatever came between the two of you, it was meant to happen that way because you had to learn a few things about each other. Maybe you never took them as they you should have. Maybe you never understood the connection. Maybe they never understood the connection too. So there were certain lessons to be learned before you could come together. I feel like, those lessons are learned by both of you, and or maybe you're still trying to learn those lessons, and then only there will be a reconciliation. That's what I'm picking up, because I do see that this person is going to be able not going to be able to hold themselves back for long, because they're really trying hard to keep themselves away from you right now. So yes, they do miss you a lot, and right now they are trying to control their emotions for you. that they have. Let's take some cards. Let's see. Oopsie, where are you going, orangey? Okay, let's see. Let's take two cards from this. Can you forgive me? That's what they really want you to ask. Can you forgive me? I'm yours forever. Maybe it took them time to understand the connection and the bond that they have with you, but yes, they really want to come back in your life, and that's what they are, wishing and hoping that you give them another chance. Because I feel like there, somebody came between the two of you for sure. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. But they do miss you a lot, a lot. Back to what you love, reevaluate your desires. For some of you, maybe they left you for their work, maybe they desired something more than you earlier, and now they are going to come back. Like this card suggests, back to what you love, reevaluate your desires. Maybe they thought that their work is more, something that they want to go for, and they got for, what they wanted to, and then they are still not happy. They are still hurt. They are still like, not feeling strong. But yes, your love makes them feel strong, your passion makes them feel strong, your love makes them feel alive. So I feel like now they're going to come back to you. And I feel like for some of you, you are going to be manifesting them back as well. With 3 3, it's a manifestation number as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you guys for this read. If the reading resonated with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. And yeah, let's move on to the deck strawberry. Let's see, for those of you who chose strawberry deck, let's see, do they miss you? Whoever it is that you have on your mind that you want to know about, I would suggest you, while I shuffle the cards, just think of that person so we could tap into their energy as well. Do they miss you? Let's find out. Do they miss you? Let's begin. Ace of Swords, the Death. Not right now, but they are having some clarity. As they have that clarity, they are going to come back to you. Yep. Underneath the deck, we do have Four of Wands. Ace of Swords, the Death, Seven of Swords, Ace of Pentacles. I feel like, this person is... hold on. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, we do have... I feel like, this person is... I feel like you both have ended the connection already. It's like it's not like you have left a chance for each other to reconcile with each other again. It's more of you've ended the connection, and it's like you right now currently you feel like it's over between the two of you, and then still you wonder you don't see that there is or there could be any chance of reconciliation. But at the same time, when it comes to this person, I feel like they are not missing you right now, but they are having some sort of transformation in their life right now. It's not because of you. It's more of different things happening in their life, which is going to make them realize a few things that they were running away from, and you are one of them. Maybe they were running away from everything that was making them feel sensitive towards anything that was making them sensitive. They were running away from all of that. They just wanted to stay strong. They just wanted to be practical. They just wanted to stay like a man or like a strong person. So I feel like they have been running away from love, emotions, and all those things which they feel is very weak emotion to have. So I feel like it's more of that thing happening, that change happening in their life, which is now going to make them turn their attention towards love. There is something going on in their life right now. They are not missing you. To be very honest, I don't see that they are missing you right now. But there is a lot happening in this person's life. They are going to be running away from everything now, but towards love. They have been ignoring, neglecting love and emotions and all those things because they felt like it is a weak emotion to have. It is something that gives you a weakness. It can never be a strength. So that's their attitude. That's how they used to be. But now they are changing. They are completely they are like going through that phase of their life where they are changing the rock bottom somehow, and which has changed them. And they are still having those gradual changes in their life, about themselves, about the way they used to think, about love and relationships. They are all changing, from within. And I feel like, soon they are going to be realizing everything that they never realized before regarding love and relationships. So I feel like, this person is going through some sort of transformation, awakening. Overall, it's more of it's not about just love. It's more about everything. So I feel like, this person is pretty much busy with that transformation happening in their life, and I don't see them missing you right now, to be very honest. But yes, now they would be running towards the love life. Now, would that be you? If they think of love, would they think of you? Let's ask that question, because right now it's more of different things happening. Because when if and when they are ready, will they come to you? Let's find out. If and when they are ready, because they are not ready right now, to be very honest. So let's see. If and when they are ready, will they come towards you? Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Hearts, Ace of Swords, Seven of Pentacles. Underneath the deck we do have Queen of Wands. If you really want this person, I feel like, it's more of that energy where, that person has to go through a transformation before they could come and give you the commitment. Because I feel like, this is if your person has been the one, I don't know, seeing these cards here, will they, when they are ready, will they come? I feel like, they won't. Why? Because they don't want to put in, effort into a relationship. Now this can be your energy as well, because I feel like, if you have been the one giving into this connection, I feel like, you're not going to feel like, you are ready to give into this connection, because you feel that you have invested a lot into this connection already, and now you don't want to make a move towards them. And I feel like, this is pretty much yours energy, your energy. I don't know what the situation is like, but it seems like, um if even if they reach out to you, I feel like, you are going to be very clear in your mind that this is what you want commitment or nothing at all. You will not be ready to take anything from them. So if and when they are ready, and if they come towards you, you are going to be very straightforward that, look, this is what it is, and if you think you can put your effort into this connection, then we are in, otherwise we are not. So you are not going to let this person disappoint you again, so they will have to prove themselves to you, because now you know your worth. So right now, the transformation period is going on, and as they got done with it, they will reach out to you maybe, because I do see you having the upper hand in this situation. If and when they are ready, they are definitely going to come towards you, and then it's going to be you whether you choose them, you choose to give them another chance or not. So definitely they will be coming towards you to offer you love and stability. Why would they come to you, bud? Yeah, they will be coming towards you by choosing you over anything else. And they would be ready to give into this connection. Eight of Pentacles, Five of Swords, and Four of Cups. Um, They will be coming towards you. Now, why would they choose you over anything else? That would be a good question. We are not going to tap into that. Maybe for some of you, it's going to be because they are going to get rejected from another person. They are going to choose you then. Maybe it's going to be like maybe you have proposed them in the past and they never accepted that proposal. Maybe that's why they are going to choose you, and they will be ready to put into the effort that it needs to be put in this connection. So it would be different for different people. But yeah, let's take oracle cards first, and then we're going to take the message cards. Back to what you love, reevaluate your desires. This card came up for the first deck as well. Let's take one more card here. Love who you are. Number 3 and 8. You are divine, delightful, and deserving of wonderful things life has to offer. For some of you, you may have been the one who detached yourself from this person because they were not giving into this connection. So you parted ways with this person, and then when they are ready, they are going to come forward and love, offer you the love. And meanwhile, what you did was you loved yourself. You know your worth now, and that's why you are very strong in your head about this thing. Whether they come back or they don't, you don't care. But if they come back, if they want you back, you would be very clear in your mind that this is what you want, and if they are ready to give into this connection, then you're going to take them back. Otherwise you are not. And I do see them ready to give you what you want in this connection, because that's what they would be wishing to have in their life as well. Back to what you love, reevaluate your desires. Maybe for some of you, this person left you or left you in the past, or stopped giving into this connection because they had other goals to achieve. Maybe they had other dreams to follow. But then things happened, things changed, and now they are coming back to what they loved in the past. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you. But right now, coming back to the question, do they no, hold on, we have to take cards from this deck. You are my soulmate. So now this person knows that you are their soulmate. I hate the way I still love you. Maybe you left them because they were not giving into this connection. They hate the way they still love you. I think about you all the time. They are into you for sure. But in the past, they were never ready to accept that. Hold on. So, well, the last card says, I left you before you could leave me. So maybe you have done that. You left them because before they left you. So I feel like it's pretty much like it's pretty much like you both are sensitive souls and you didn't want to get hurt. And they were never ready to accept it because they were never ready that time. So anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this reading. If the reading resonated with you, do like, share, and subscribe. Till I do the next reading for you guys. Take care. Bye bye.